Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review of Zenni Optical. I just got my first pair of Zennis in the mail and I'm really excited to open them. I've been wearing glasses for, I don't know, 10-15 years now, and every time I go to the eye doctor and get an eye exam and it's time for new glasses, I pay $150 to about $250 for one pair of glasses. So I went and I asked some of my followers on social media, like, hey, where you guys get your glasses from? Is there anyone I can get them cheaper? And a lot of people came back and said Zenni. So I checked them out and it's a great website. They have a ton of frames to choose from glasses to sunglasses, all different shapes, colors, anything you can think of, they have it. But the best part is they are really inexpensive. The cheapest frame they have is like $6, and I think the most expensive frame they have is about $39. So for frames, that is phenomenal. And then the price goes up from there depending on if you're single, double vision, if you want non-glare, if you want tint, just different things like that. But you can get anything on there, and it's a very easy process. You just log on, you choose your frame. You have to have what's called a PD number, and on the website it shows you how you can measure. So you're just going to measure from one pupil to the next pupil. It's the distance in between, and once you have that number, you're ready to go to order your glasses. But you need that number and your prescription in order to order. So let's get unpacking. So it came in this cute little blue folder. It's padded, and inside you have your eyeglasses case. This is plastic, and then inside of that it's wrapped in a Ziploc bag, and you have a nice little card that says thanks for choosing Zenni. It tells you to share on social media once you put your glasses on. They're pretty sturdy. They're wrapped pretty nicely. And you have your terry cloth that you can clean the glasses with, and here are my frames. I'm so excited. And these are prescriptions, so I'm going to be trying these on for the first time. Just gonna put those there and take off my old glasses. And here's the big reveal. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, I love these. I love these. So I decided to do something funky this time. I always get black. I always get like a square big frame like how my old glasses are. And I wanted to do something different. So I went for a cat eye. And this is called Tortoiseshell, this color. And I absolutely love it. You can see the side right here, the side rim. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. And I can see. So first glance, I mean, they feel really nice. They're beautifully made. They don't look cheap. They don't feel cheap. This is so nice. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. They fit nicely on my face. They feel, I love them. Love them. I was a little apprehensive because on the website you can actually try on your glasses. You upload a picture of yourself and they put the glasses on your face, and so you could see what it's like, but it's still, you know, nothing like going into an eyeglass place and trying on glasses just to see how they fit. So I was a little apprehensive, which is why I only ordered one pair. I wanted to see the process, how they came, if they fit. I got the no glare lens, and I can definitely see that there's not as much of a glare as it is with my old glasses. I am loving these. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to order more. I'm definitely ordering more, and I'm going to do some sunglasses too. I don't know anyone out there who's ever worn glasses. I've never worn contact lenses, so I've never really been able to wear sunglasses when I drive because I can't see. So now that I have a site where I can go and get inexpensive sunglasses, the sky's just the limit. So these were 35 bucks. The frames were 35 bucks. And the entire order itself ended up costing like $65. Once I added in my prescription and the no glare and shipping, I got standard shipping. It was $4.95. And it came a little over a week. It took a little over a week for it to come. So it was pretty fast because on the website it said it should take 2 to 3 weeks. It took a little over a week for me. So I guess everyone differs depending on where you're getting it shipped to, but I am in love. I mean, I love the packaging. And oh, on the inside here, it's like a little felt bottom piece. That's nice. Like I said, the terry cloth that it came with. I mean, it's, for the price, you can't beat it. And I recently got my eyes checked at the beginning of the year, and I was quoted $275 for one pair of glasses. One pair of glasses. And I paid $65 for these to include shipping. And I'm going to get more. I am going to get more. I love these. Oh my goodness. I'm like, oh my gosh. I love these. I love them, love them, love them. So, Zenni Optical. Yeah, this is, I paid for this out of my own pocket. This is not a paid review. They didn't send me these to review them for them or anything. I'm a person who has to wear glasses, and I want to get them cheap if at all possible. And I just wanted to let everyone know, because I mean, glasses cost so much. It's ridiculous. You know, you can be cute, stylish, and I can have different frames. I can now have backup glasses, whereas before I couldn't because they were too much. But I'm going to order me a backup pair of glasses and some sunglasses. So I will review those when they come in. But I am so excited. Like, I can't stop looking at myself. Like, I'm cute. Oh my goodness. These are nice. So yeah, I'll put all of the information, including the number for the frames, in the description below. And you know, you guys like, comment, subscribe, send me some comments and let me know if you've ever checked out Zenni, or if you have any glasses, or if you even, you know, like or dislike them for whatever reason. I'm still new to them, so I want to learn more about them. But if there's another site out there that's kind of like Zenni Optical, let me know, because I'm always looking for a great deal. So yeah, Zenni Optical, check them out. I love these frames. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, guys. So I'll check you on the next video.